Good morning friends. Today we will see the how to draw an ellipse by using a rectangle method. So we'll take one problem statement for that. Draw ellipse. The problem statement is draw ellipse by rectangle method. Take major axis 100 mm and minor axis 70 mm long. The given data is major axis 100 mm and minor axis 70 mm long. Now first step is to draw a rectangle by using a major axis and minor axis as a sides. Major axis and minor axis as sides. As sides you have to draw a rectangle. So draw a rectangle of 100 by 70 mm. So this is the rectangle I have drawn 100 by 70 mm. So draw a rectangle. First step is to draw a rectangle taking major axis and minor axis as sides. Now in this rectangle draw both axes of this as the perpendicular bisector of each other. Now from that after that for construction select this upper left part of a rectangle. For construction select this upper part of a rectangle. Divide the vertical small side and the horizontal long side. Divide the vertical small side, this vertical small side and the horizontal long side into the same number of equal parts. So if you divided that 4 equal parts, the vertical small line, then you have to divide this horizontal line also in 4 parts. If you divided this in 5 parts, then you have to divide this horizontal line also in 5 parts. Here I divided in 4 parts. So this is external geometric constructions. So I divided this vertical line, small vertical line in 4 parts on the left corner, and these are 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now similarly I have to divide this horizontal line also in 4 equal parts. So I divided that horizontal line also in 4 parts. So given the name 1, 2, 3, 4, the horizontal line and the vertical line 1, 2, 3, 4. So first step is to divide the vertical line in number of equal parts. Second step is to divide the horizontal in same number of parts. That you have divided the vertical line. Now join all the vertical points 1, 2, 3 and 4 to the upper end of the minor axis. Join all these points on a vertical line to the upper end of the minor axis, and all the horizontal points 1, 2, 3 and 4 and all the horizontal points, that is 1, 2, 3 and 4 to the lower end of the minor axis, So this 1, 2, 3, 4 to be joined with the C, and this 1, 2, 3, 4 on a vertical axis or vertical side, it should be joined with the D. Now here you can see from 1 to D, I have joined 1 to D and C to 1. Next 2 to D and C to 2. C to 2. Next step is what? 3 to D and 3 to C and extend it. Now join this C to 1, 2, 3 and extend it till it intersects D1, D2, D3. Then extend the C1 line up to the D1 and mark that point. Join C1 and extend it till it intersects the D1 and mark that point. Join C2 and extend it to up to D2. Mark that intersection point. Next will be join C3 and extend it up to D3. Mark that point. So these are the 3 points you will get. Now mark all these points properly and join this curve. Join all the points by using an French curve. Join all these points by using an French curve. Now same procedure to be repeated here also. Again divide the vertical line in a same number of parts that you have divided on left side. That same process to be done on the right side. Same thing on the this horizontal line, the mirror image. This is the mirror image. Now again join D1, D2, D3. Now next step will what? Join C1, extend it till it intersects the D1. So whenever it intersects that C1 line intersects the D1, mark that point. Then join C2, extend it up to D2. Join C3, extend it up to D3, and join, mark that all the points. Mark all these points properly and join all along the ends A and to D in a smooth possible curve. Do similar construction in the right side part and along with the lower half of a rectangle also. Now same thing is to be repeated on this lower part of that portion, lower half of the rectangle also. Join that all the points, you will get the required ellipse. Thank you.